also shift focus and talk about what may look like a big breakthrough to end the ongoing conflict in West Asia. Now, United States President Donald Trump has said that he's holding a meeting to make a final determination about an agreement to extend the ceasefire with Iran. Now, Trump seems to have posted his statement where he says that Iran must agree that they will never have a nuclear weapon or bomb, and the Strait of Hormuz must be opened immediately with no tolls for unrestricted shipping traffic in both directions. And he's also said that the U.S. naval blockade would be removed very soon. Now, as far as Iran is of the opinion, well, they are now giving in a mixed message saying that they are in talks with the United States, but the exchange of messages that also continues, but there is still no final understanding that has been reached as of now. So this is a development coming in from the Iranian saying that words, actions and not words is something that they are now looking out for as far as these developments are concerned, because Iran now wants to see whether the lifting of the naval blockade will be implemented as announced or whether it will be simply a propaganda claim coming in from President Trump. So far, the message from Iranians that still remains far more cautious. However, they say that the negotiations are continuing, but the key disputes still remain unresolved. So this is now coming in from the Iranian side, which, however, seems to be denying a ceasefire deal with the U.S. to be finalized, and however, saying that there are several issues as far as nuclear issues is concerned that is focused on the end of the war at this point, and these are not being discussed in details with a nuclear plan with the United States of America. So this is coming across as a big development there. Of course, the determination on a final deal, which still remains to be seen as far as President Trump being there in the Situation Room, that still remains to be seen if a final deal, holding at least 60 days extension of the ceasefire is concerned, well, that is a probability that is waiting to happen. So that is the international updates that we are picking up for our viewers. In the meantime, you can also watch Times Now on Times Play, which is available on all major apps and app stores.